Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Measure ingredients precisely. Use 1 cup, 226 g, softened butter, 1 cup granulated sugar, and 1 cup packed brown sugar for balanced sweetness and texture. Add 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract to bind and flavor. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3 cups rolled oats, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon salt for lift and structure. Finally, plan to fold in 1 cup chopped almonds for crunch, and about 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk only if the dough seems dry. Start by creaming the 1 cup softened butter with 1 cup sugar and 1 cup brown sugar for 2 to 3 minutes until light and fluffy. This traps air for lift. Beat in 2 eggs one at a time, then add 1 teaspoon vanilla. Fold the dry mix into the wet ingredients gently to avoid overworking gluten. Then stir in 1 cup chopped almonds and 3 cups rolled oats until evenly distributed. Chill the dough 30 minutes. Then portion with 2 tablespoons per cookie for consistent baking. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F, 177 degrees C, and line baking sheets with parchment paper or a silicone mat for even browning. Place each 2 tablespoon dough ball about 2 inches apart and bake 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are golden and centers look set but slightly soft. Let cookies cool on the sheet for 5 minutes to firm, then transfer to a wire rack to finish cooling. Store cooled cookies in an airtight container up to 5 days, or freeze for up.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.